Welcome to a week of curly hair. These are like 5 different ways that you could style your hair Monday to Friday. I hope you guys enjoy this video. You guys know I'm always quick with the intros, so let's get into the video. Oh, and don't forget to like and watch until the end. This first style is really easy to do. All you need to do is take the hair from ear to ear, basically your bang area, and then clip it up using these tiny little clips. These are easy to find at the drugstore, and what I like about them is they're easier to work with than bobby pins since they clip the hair rather than trying to like maneuver the hair and make it stay. You have a much better chance with these guys, and I like to stack them along the top of my head. I just feel like it looks better. This is so easy because your hair is out of your face, it's quick to do, and it looks really voluminous. I usually get compliments on this hairstyle, which makes me feel good because it takes like 2 seconds. This one I actually like for when I'm trying to like spice things up, but I don't have a lot of time. I feel like it looks elegant and it's easy, like always. So this one, you just need a little bit of product, especially if you have flyaways. I have a lot of hair loss, so some of my hairs are super short. Or if you have bangs, you'll probably want to do this. Just take some styling foam or a gel and slick it all to one side. I'm actually going to go a step further and secure those short little hairs with some bobby pins, but this step won't be necessary if your hair is all one length. From here, we're going to do the regular old ponytail, but we're going to put it really low and to the one side. Make sure everything's slicked back, and then smooth the front of your hair over to the side and put it into a ponytail. If you're not already using these cool ponytail holders that are like windy and they remind me of an old school phone cord, you totally should because they're much better for damaged or curly hair. They're just gentler and they actually hold the hair a lot better. Is gentler a word? I don't know. I'm gonna take like the smallest section of hair, or the shortest section of hair. My shortest layers are going to be perfect for wrapping around the ponytail holder, which is going to give it like that I tried kind of look. So I'm going to do that to give it a little bit more of an effortful style, you know? And I think this looks really good, especially if you're going on a date or you want to look really pretty. When I look at hair and makeup, there's like a psychology to it. Like I would wear this if I was trying to persuade someone of something. It just looks so good for that kind of situation. You know what I mean? Do you guys ever think of hair and makeup like that? Okay, next. This is really good for hair that is like 2 or 3 days out of the shower. No, you know what I mean? Like you haven't washed it in a couple days and your hair's not looking as good as it used to. I'm gonna take my hair, put it up into a ponytail right on top of my head, and then I'm gonna pull most of the hair through, but I'm gonna leave majority of the ends so that I can play with those. And if you have any baby hairs, you can like twist those up and make those look all cute and everything. I try to do that. Sometimes it works and sometimes it just looks really awkward. And it's not working. So you're getting tucked away, my friend. I've always wanted to try curly bangs, but I'm definitely not going to commit to anything like that. So I like this hairstyle because you can kind of make it look like you have bangs. Take the hairs that are going to be of no use and just make the hair look too full at the front and tuck those away around the base of your kind of messy bun. Essentially what you're doing here is you're making like a flirty kind of messy look, and what I'm going for is something that I would wear with like sweatpants and make it look like I didn't really try, but really it looks really cute. For this next style, you don't have to try too hard, but put a little effort into making a perfect part down the middle of your head. This will separate your hair perfectly even, and it also looks a little bit cleaner for the style. Now I'm going to smooth out one section and I'm going to put it up into a ponytail, or no, a pigtail, and make sure that this is towards the top of your head. You don't want it to be too low, otherwise the style would look pretty weird. Smooth it out with a rat tail comb or whatever brush you have on hand. And I like to add a little bit of water over top of this so that it sleeks the hair down. After that, use one of your coily elastics and secure this on top of your head and leave it to the side and do the same on the other one. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying these hairstyles, like which one of them you like the most. We're not done yet, but I'm curious to see what you guys think of these because I'm not a hair expert and I know a lot of people are probably going to like drag me for making these styles a little bit messy, but this is just the way I do my hair and I'm really new to styling my natural hair. As you guys probably know, like I haven't worn my hair curly for like a really long time, so I am no expert at these styles. But like, okay, I'm scared to say it. Oh, by the way, we're like twisting the hair and we're putting it into these little cute space buns. You can probably see it's pretty easy to follow. But what I was saying is I'm pretty scared to say, but like I've been trying not to use heat. I don't want to say I'm heat free, but like I might be. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. But I'm definitely wearing my hair natural a lot these days. And I think this style is really cute because it's easy, just like all of them, but this one's really out of your face, which I love. The next one is like full on laziness factor through the roof. You don't want to do anything, but you want to look cute. I love these hair turbans. They're really stylish and they're very cheap. I'm going to link some that I think are cute down below. If your hair isn't looking so hot, I recommend this morning after foam. This is like a mousse, and I find that this really reactivates my hair personally. So I don't know, I recommend just running this through your hair or follow your second day hair routine if you have one. Please leave tips below because that's a forever struggle. And then just toss this on top of your head and you can like arrange it how you like, and that's the style done. It's super, super easy. There you go. That wraps up my week of curly hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below which hairstyle you'd be trying, or if you're going to try all of them. I'll leave links below for everything I used, and I love you guys. Bye-bye.